Hi everyone, welcome to another Coffee with Z episode in central London. British summertime, bit gloomy, but we're surviving from the rain with the Lambo. Check the branding, beautiful properties, check these out. I want to talk about today is something called the dreaded ATED, annual tax on envelope dwelling. One of the most least known taxes in property, but can be a killer if you don't know how to protect yourself. Check this episode out. As I mentioned in the intro on this Coffee with Z, we're talking about ATED, and I mentioned it's called the annual tax on envelope dwelling. First of all, this is reported at the start of the year in April, which is very different to every other tax which is done at the end of the year. So make sure you understand that. What this affects is people who buy residential property worth over $500,000, which a lot of these are in limited companies. And a lot of the Russian billionaires used to do this, hence they developed this tax called ATED. There's certain reliefs to protect yourself. First of all, is it rented out, i.e. not you living in it? Because if you buy in a limited company, you don't want to be living in it because you trigger ATED and benefit in kind. You don't want to be doing that. So if you're renting it out, you get a relief and you don't have to pay this, but you still have to do the return. Number two, if you're a property developer, which is different to a property investor, you brought in a company and it's over $500,000 still, while you're developing, you can also get the relief. Make sure you do that exemption. There's a whole lot more of these. I would get an evaluation done by a property tax specialist. I can't emphasize anymore because ATED can be a pain in the, you know what I'm talking about, and you don't want to be messing around with that. And this is a difference maker because you need end-to-end planning. And this is why you come to a property tax specialist. I hope you enjoyed this Coffee with Z with the Lambo branding. Check that out. It is a purple one. I love these cars, gotta say. They look different. And check the beautiful houses in this street. Just amazing. Absolutely amazing. If you want to get one of these, your aspiration, get the advice. It will save you a lot of money. I hope you enjoyed this Coffee with Z. Check out our guides. Please like, comment, follow, subscribe, whichever social media that you're following us on.